Psalm 147 verse 3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Matthew 11 verses 28 to 29, Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Psalm 34 verse 18, The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Jeremiah 30 verse 17, But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. 2 Corinthians 1 verses 3 to 4, Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of compassion and the God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our troubles. Revelation 21 verse 4, He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. Romans 8 verse 26, In the same way, the Spirit helps us in our weakness. We do not know what we ought to pray for, but the Spirit Himself intercedes for us through wordless groans. Psalm 73 verse 26, My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. John 14 verse 27, Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.